How come you had no problem buying China, although on the day blah blah blah? Follow the instructions on the screen. Maybe, just maybe, it was a 5-star meaner version setup. One of my main 3 setups. Just saying. Guys, anyone new here? Anyone lazy? Follow the instructions on the screen. Confusion will clear very quickly. NUE. Yeah, it looks good. It's getting tight. Oil. Well, nat gas is kind of setting up higher lows, but I don't know. EMPH, I don't know, I don't see anything here. Or actually on the weekly, maybe. Monthly definitely. Daily is not that great. KCR at earnings, yeah, it looks like a potential EP. Or actually, no. Or maybe, well, volume is kind of low, but good price action. Now we're again in a situation where a lot of these beaten down growth names are bouncing back into this declining moving average at 20 to 50 day. You can't grasp which setup I used to buy Nugget. Simple breakout setup a couple of weeks ago. STNE. Well, I don't know. These things can be tricky. Sometimes they can go, sometimes they don't. Was I in Gush, ERX, Husa last week? I think so. I was in a lot of oil gas related names past 2, 3, 4 weeks. Now I'm not in any of them. I got them on the long side, I got them on the short side. And obviously I minimized both the long and the short side. Corn and soybeans. Yeah. Wheat is the best one, has the highest ADR. MP. Well, it looks good on a weekly, a monthly, but yeah, daily it's a very tricky one, man. This is a very tricky stock to trade. I know, this is the first time in 2 weeks I'm streaming. Took a little bit of a break. I'm busy with other stuff. Not from trading, obviously, but from streaming only. LAC. Yeah, it is setting up, building higher lows, surfing the 200. Not bad, not bad. This STNE kind of reminds me about this Zillow. It also had an EP, kind of stalled at the 50 day, then it popped a few days, stalled at the declining 100 and it went lower again. STNE could be like a similar scenario. Maybe stalls at the 100 day and then kind of goes lower again. I don't know. What's my purpose in flagging stocks in my scans? So I don't have to look at them again. That's the reason. Why would I want to look at the same stock 50 times per day? Unless it's in my watch list. Well, I really don't see much value here more today. I'll let these things play out like usually. No need to overtrade. Wait. I'm not gonna wait for you, David. Can I go through my positions and entries there? That's a good question. KWeb bought what, 1, 2, 3 sessions ago on the meaner version setup. Opening range highs and also the intraday consolidation I added, and we got a big gap up the next day, and I'm still holding most of my shares. Uranium bought some yesterday. I had this a couple of weeks ago, got stopped out, rebought it yesterday on this breakout. It kind of found support on the rising 20. Copex, I've had this thing since I bought it on this day here, I think. I've had it for over a month. Ura, same like URNM, bought it yesterday. Regn, I bought it here, I don't know, last week, early last week, I think. Kind of broke out of a big flag on the weekly. Huge flag. Especially with all the other biotechs in the gutter. That, you know, this thing has been showing big relative strength. Maybe it goes to 800 or something, not sure. FCX, where did I buy it? Oh, this one too, I bought it like a couple of months ago, month and a half ago. This day here. Nugget, I've had it from this day here. Broke out of this perfect flag. And also you have to look at GLD. GLD broke this multi-year consolidation on a monthly. So that's why I bought Nugget, because more bang for the buck. And X, I've been in since it broke this, had this breakout, the weekly breakout like a month ago. So those are my positions. Gush, ERX, Husa. Husa, I think I longed this thing on the intraday. I think I both longed and shorted it. I also had CEI, if I remember correctly. No, not CEI. Was it IMPP? I think I had IMPP. I don't know. Anywho, I longed some of them, I shorted some of them. In hindsight, didn't do enough size. Whatever. Indo was almost untradeable. I took a loss and a gain on it. It was super thin, man. Thinnest stock I've ever traded. Alright guys, thanks for joining. See you on Monday maybe, hopefully.